The grandkids have been helping out today, and one of the things they're doing is making their version of an egg salad sandwich feast for the chickens. So we're using their fresh organic eggs, and we have greens from our very own Greenstock Garden and Chicken Grill, which they're cutting up to help with digestion. And they've even torn up some bread into tiny pieces, which is a treat because I never have bread in this house. And we're throwing in the last of a few yummy tomatoes that I had for some beautiful color. Now I cannot wait to see how this feast goes. If I was a chicken, I think I'd be pretty excited about this meal. Way to go, kids! Great job!